Hey there, adventurers! Today's story is a wild one. All about a giant boat, lots of amazing animals, and a very important lesson about listening. So grab your favorite stuffed animal and cuddle up close, 'cause we're setting sail on Noah's Ark.
Once upon a time, there lived a man named Noah. Noah was incredibly passionate about doing what he believed was right. However, the world around him proved to be less than kind. People were not treating each other with kindness, which deeply made God sad.
Sad? Why would God be sad?
That's a great question, Nevaeh. God made the world and everything in it so that everyone could be happy. There were times when being mean made the world a sad place. So God came to Noah with a special plan. He told Noah to build an enormous boat called an ark.
A boat? But why?
Because a big storm was coming, a flood so big it would cover the whole world. God wanted to save Noah, his family, and some of all the amazing animals on earth. It was finally time to finish the boat. Animals walked, crawled, slithered, and swam their way to the ark 2 by 2. There were wiggly worms, lions and tigers, monkeys and penguins, and elephants with their trunks raised. Once everyone was safe on board, God closed the big ark door with a loud boom, and then guess what happened? The rain started to fall. It rained non-stop for days and days. As the water level rose, streets turned into rivers and mountains into islands. However, Noah's Ark stayed afloat on the water like a big bathtub in a big bubble bath. The ark sailed on the water for a long time. Noah and his family took care of the animals inside. They fed them, cleaned up after them, and maybe even sang them silly sea shanties. Finally, after a very long time, the rain stopped and the water began to recede. The ark gently landed on top of a tall mountain. Noah opened a window and a dove flew out. The dove came back with a leaf in its beak, a sign that the new plants were starting to grow again. Hooray! The flood was over. With care, Noah, his family, and all the animals got out of the ark. In the sky, a beautiful rainbow showed that God had promised there would never be another storm like that one. The world was clean and new.
Wow! What a story!
It is a story about listening, isn't it? God told Noah to build the ark, and Noah listened. It's also a story about hope, because even after a big storm, there's always a chance for a new beginning.
Of a great journey. And there you have it, friends. The story of Noah. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.